San Antonio Living starts right now.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to San Antonio Living. I'm Shelly Miles. I hope you're having a fantastic Friday. We've got a lot of good things coming up for you this hour on this show. And we're going to start with this. Offices are opening back up, and for many people, it's time to go back to work. So Diane Gottsman has 10 ways to start your day on a high note. Hi, Diane. How are you?
Hi, Shelly. I'm doing great. I love this topic. It's happy.
It is happy, right? I know. When you think about where we were a year ago and where we are now, things are only looking up. And I think this is a great topic because you're right. A lot of people are starting to transition back to the office, and it's confusing. So you've got some great tips to make sure we start off on the right foot.
That's right. And the first one is don't hit your snooze button. When that alarm goes off in the morning, get out of bed. Because what happens is, and we all have experienced it personally, you hit snooze, you lay down for a few more minutes, you worry about missing the alarm again, you start thinking about all of the problems of the day, what's about to happen. So you ruminate on the negative. But if you get up and start getting moving, you feel better.
That's true. Also, when we were at home, maybe we didn't make our bed and get ready like we did in the old days. So that's another tip. Make the bed.
Oh my gosh, so important for so many different reasons. So if you all have not seen the 2014 commencement speech by Admiral McRaven, go to YouTube because here is his book. It's called Make Your Bed. And there is scientific fact to making your bed and your productivity level throughout the day. What he says, he gives you all of these steps, so you really shouldn't miss this book. And I'm just saying it because I love it. What happens is you become more productive when you take that first step. You know, that's your very first task of the day. And if you get that right, then you're off on the right foot.
So true, so true. Okay, another way to get things started right is coffee, right? So update your brew.
Oh my gosh, look at this coffee pot. It is, or this coffee machine. I love it. You know, my kitchen is blue and white and I found this. And, you know, I would certainly be motivated in the morning if I got up and I had the smell of fresh coffee and a fun little coffee pot. You know, we love to go to our cabinets and find it. This is my favorite mug. Find a favorite mug. You know, these are tiny little things that are going to motivate you. If you have TFT, mix it up. But that's a great smell in the morning, and it's a good way to start your day.
So true. All right, let's transition into the bedroom. We need to update our makeup and get rid of clothes that maybe don't fit anymore, right?
Okay, so just think about it. You go to your closet, nothing fits. You know, we're out of stretchy pants and into zippers. Your makeup drawer with all kinds of old makeup. What is worse than trying to put mascara on and it's sloppy? So what I'm saying is just before the first day that you go back to work, clean everything up, get rid of old makeup. You know, it can give you infections, it can give you acne. Your clothing, you feel much better when you walk in and you know what fits you. But most importantly, kind of lighten it up. I got some hangers, some pink hangers, and I'm not even, and I travel, so my office is wherever. Little sachets, make it fresh for you. Wipe the floors down, wipe the walls down, get rid of the dust bunnies. You will feel better when you walk into a fresh, clean closet with clothes that fit, shoes that are shined.
All right, I like that. Another tip is treat yourself. Some fresh flowers can really make the day so much brighter.
So Rutgers, and hydrangeas are my favorite flower. Rutgers did a study and they found that immediate impact of positive energy when you look at flowers, when you smell the scent of flowers. So, you know, it really will make a positive impact on you if it's in your kitchen, if it's in your bathroom. Maybe take some to the office.
Ooh, good idea. I like that. And of course, you got to think about breakfast. It's the most important meal.
Okay, my friend Katie from Katie's Midnight Bakery dropped these beautiful blueberry muffins off yesterday because she knows I am a breakfast fiend and she knows I love muffins. But something that you can grab and go, because we tend to miss breakfast because we are rushing, because we can't get our makeup on right, we can't get our clothes, you know, we're doing all of these things, we're preparing. So make sure that you have a fresh smoothie. Notice I have lemons in my mixer because I love celery and lemon in my smoothies. Something, oatmeal, something that's healthy and hearty and will get you started.
All right, these are all great tips, Diane. Thank you so much for helping us get things started as we go back to work. Really appreciate it. Guys, if you'd like to know more, if you'd like to connect with Diane, you can find her on social media at Diane Gottsman, on Facebook at the Protocol School of Texas, and of course online at dianegottsman.com.